Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Omikami token. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find their contract on Etherscan. They have 1,766 holders so far. We're going to go over the information on the Omikami token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Omikami project was started with the goal of demonstrating that a community without financial resources can come together and create something sustainable that is not controlled by a central authority, similar to what was achieved by projects like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. The project began with the question of whether a cryptocurrency could be fully operated by its community. This aim of decentralization goes beyond the economic aspect and includes the creation of decentralized internal structure. The project's founders describe it as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building. The Omikami ecosystem is an attempt to move away from traditional financial structures and mindsets in order to find new creative solutions to problems and better ways of interacting with a community. When a success depends on the collective effort of many, it is important to shift perspective and align with the people around us. The community-driven nature of this project is seen as a future wilderness, and it's important to note that holding a community together is a complex endeavor that involves many interconnected moments and factors. The team behind the project has learned that the true strength is found in a team of people working together, and this understanding led to the development of this ecosystem. So, Omikami, also known as the Great Divinity Illuminating Heaven, is a central figure in Shintoism, the indigenous religion. She is considered a goddess of the sun and the ruler of the high celestial plane, the realm of spirits. The most important Shinto shrine in the world, the Ai's Grand Shrine, is dedicated to her. So Omikami is seen as the highest manifestation of Kanito Kotachi, the all-pervading, transcendent, and immanent spirit of the universe. She was born from the left eye they're making me pronounce all these crazy names, purified in a river, then she became the ruler, etc., etc. We'll just skip over the whole story here. We don't need to know this story anyways. They give this big background information on here. Now you can read about the whole background about this project. So it says its unique selling point is a combination of strong meme community and the belief in the combination memes and utilities. And the founder had a unique perspective. And they say here that starting from scratch, having everyone contribute something is what sets Omikami apart from other projects. So they're doing very well. They have 1,700 followers so far. So decentralized, they talk about it being decentralized on here. Now, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on Vindax. Now, Vindax is not available all over the world, only in some areas. So this is an Ethereum token, and you can get this token if Vindax is not available in your area. You can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Omikami token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, omikamitoken.com. Now you may have to, it says 0% tax, it says, so you probably will not have to change slippage. It says locked liquidity on Uniswap as well. And you can check out the live chart on DEX tools here as well too. And it says no tax, so you won't have to set slippage. And verified contract, it says no honeypot. Now you can check their quick audits. They have one by Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy, Honeypot, and Quick Intel. It says no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, can't modify tag. Or actually, it does say tax is modifiable, but it's not by a lot, I don't think, because there's not an actual warning there. Now there is some warnings though. Let's scroll down here. There's a warning on max sell ratio and then anti-whale mechanism. And then it says other risks. So not like huge warnings, but there is some warnings. So definitely check out their quick audits on DEX Tools. And DEX Tools also says that they have a market cap of $2.15 million, $190,000 in locked liquidity on Uniswap. 24-hour trading volume right now is $12,000. And they have $95,000 in pooled USDC on Uniswap, which is equivalent to 44.42 million pooled Omikami. So on their webpage, they have links to buy from Uniswap. Basically, all their tokens are in locked liquidity on Uniswap, it says here. And they have... it says you can purchase it on future central exchange listings. So the newest one here is Vindax, but they'll probably get some other ones in the future here. Now, there is going to be staking as well here. They're also going to come out with their own swap, it says. They're going to come out with Kami debit cards. They're going to give to charity, eventually their own blockchain, and their own wallet, and play to earn and metaverse games. They also have a Kami burn bot. So all sorts of things coming out in the future. Right now, it's pretty much just a meme coin, but they're looking to get, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, solid proof audit, 3D NFTs, all sorts of cool stuff coming out in the future here. Full CertiK audit eventually, and yeah, more holders, more listings, all that type of stuff. And then to take over Dogecoin spot. Now, they do have lots of socials at the bottom of their page. Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Medium articles, contact email, and a YouTube channel. So check that all out. Omikamitoken.com. And you can read their full 25-page white paper if you like as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.